have resumed our gym workout routines and we are getting here after a very tough time. And on the day one, I almost felt like a newbie, but after working out for 2 weeks, now I'm feeling fine and even better than earlier. So here in this video, I'm going to show my full body workout routine. And basically, I do workout for 6 days a week, targeting on different body areas. But to make it more intense, I'm going to show my full body workout routine like combined. So I think ये आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होगा. So without further ado, let's get started. much about the video, and I really hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up and please comment down more video ideas and suggestions. Follow me on Instagram @_Alisha180_ and please subscribe. I love you guys. Tada! And I'll see you in the next one.